Hello, it's Esther Brodovich from livesignaltrade.com. It's come back on the average down strategy that we started a few hours ago. Remember, we started to do scalping on the DAX. And I opened a trade, first trade 0.10 at 12,490. It was this trade. And what happened, the trade went actually against me. It was in this area. Okay, so it was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2:30 in the afternoon. And it started to go against me. So instead of cutting this trade, I started to do an average down strategy because I wanted to show you how to get back your trade. Okay. So now what's the situation? I took another trade on this third wave. As you can see on 5-minute charts, we have negative divergence. So on the third wave, I started to take another trade, 0.10 lots. And this trade, okay, is supposed to get back my first trade, okay? So right now, we have the first trade on negative position, minus €3.19, and we have a second trade, okay, the one on the top, okay, that is positive, 1.20, 1.15, okay, so the global and total balance of these two positions right now are at minus 0.49. Okay, it's the 2nd of August and it's 4:15 in the afternoon, and I'm waiting for the drop. Okay, now on the previous video that I posted on YouTube, you will see it probably in a few minutes. Okay, you can see that we talked about the target of 12,415. This is the target that was actually given by Trading Central. Trading Central is a third-party technical analysis company. So I looked at this technical analysis. And they said that probably the DAX will go down to 12,415. Okay, so I hope, okay, I placed two take profit at 12,415, and I hope that it will be good. Okay, so I will pause right now the video, and we'll start back the video in a few minutes. Right now it's going down. I hope you see that on 5 minutes we have the zero level that was crossed on 5 minutes by the moving average of oscillator. We have the 15 minutes. You see that it goes like virus. On 1 minute it's going down, on 5 minutes it's also going down, and on 15 minutes it's starting to go down. So we just need to the 15 minutes, okay, to cross the zero line, and it will take time. Every bar is 15 minutes, okay, so probably it's gonna take time. Okay, so I will follow this webinar, this video, and follow the trend. And let's see if we have a very nice drop in a few hours, okay? So we are back again on the platform, on the Pepperstone platform MT4, and let's see what's going on with the DAX. Okay, so we have 1 minute chart, and the DAX is like you know, is struggling on the support. On the 5 minute, as you can see, we have a double top. Okay, we have a double top, and we have a double top, and we need to break this this bottom here. Okay, if we break the bottom, of course, if we break the bottom, then we will go back to the support around 12,500, something like this, 12,500. Okay, 12,490. Okay, right now it's going a little bit up. Okay, if we stay under this trend line, you see the black trend line on the 5 minute. If we stay under this trend line and we go backward, it will be good. If not, then it's consolidation. We see on the 15 minutes it will be a consolidation, and probably it will break the double top, and it's not so good, so we will have to open a third position on the top under the resistance 12,616. If we go over the 12,616, which is actually the pivot line, okay, then it's not a good idea to keep the positions. Okay, it will not be a good idea to keep the positions, and we will lose some money. Okay, and sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, and we need to accept the loss. Okay, so right now the Germany is struggling. Okay, is struggling on this little support. Okay, so we are waiting for the drop. As you can see, it doesn't make it. It doesn't come back to the channel. And let's see if we have some good luck. And let's see if it succeeded to go back to 12,500. Okay, to the next support. All right, so let's wait for it. What's going on with the DAX? Really, it's getting crazy. I mean, okay, so as you can see, the moving average of oscillator is still on divergence, negative divergence. It went up back to the channel. And as you can see on the 15 minutes, we are still under the pivot line. So it's gonna take time. Probably we're gonna wait a little bit until you know, under the pivot line. Maybe we're gonna take another trade. Right now we need to wait a little bit. You see, there's a little problem. Okay, we need to be patient. So let's see what will happen in a few hours. So what's going on the DAX? Okay, it's still going up, and we see that the wave is a little bit retracing back downwards. So it's right now 8:45 in the evening, 2nd of August, and I'm gonna take another position, sell position. Okay, exactly same rate. Okay, so we have margin 18.80. Okay, and it's the last position that I'm gonna take. before the end of the day, the market day. It should close. The market should close on at 11 o'clock in the evening. So before it will be closed, I'm gonna take a position and I'm gonna go down to the take profit 12,415 as it was pointed by Trading Central. Remember I showed you this Trading Central the Trading Central picture. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, this is what we call the average down strategy. Okay, if we go over this red line, which is the resistance, if we go over this resistance, then we'll have to close the position. Okay, so this is the resistance. If we go over this resistance, the green line, over this resistance, it's over. We cannot go above this resistance. Okay, it means that the DAX will not correct and will go further to 12,800, something like this. Okay, and we cannot offer to go to this level. Okay, so we'll close the position. All right, let's wait and see. Bye bye. Yeah, we're back on the DAX and it's 9:30 in the evening. As you can see, we have now negative divergence on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show it to you. Here, 5-minute chart, negative divergence. Oh, just a second, I'm going to change the color. Here it is. You see? Here it is. The candlesticks are going up and we have waves going down on the OSMA and the MACD. Also, on the 15-minute charts, we've got exactly the same situation. You see? Candlesticks are going up, okay, and MACD and also moving average of oscillator is going down. All right, so we have a negative divergence on 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Now what we need, okay, we need to have a new wave. On the 1 minute we need to have a new wave, a red wave, so that it will go down backward to 12,500. Okay, all right, and we hope to see in the morning, we hope to see the DAX around 12,415. All right, okay, so let's talk tomorrow morning. So we are back. It's Esther Brodovich on live signal trade. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning on the Germany 30, the DAX. Remember, we're still on this video to check what's going on with this moving average strategy, and it's 9 o'clock right now. Oh, we have a very nice, very nice gap. Okay, that is actually going down, as you can see. and I hope it's not gonna pull back. If it's pulling back, it's bad news. I hope it's gonna go down, we're gonna check if my three trades will be good. Okay, but you saw the gap that we have, and it's the opening market of the Germany 30, the DAX opening market, and it opened with the gap. So let's see if we're gonna get back our positions. Now it's going down a little bit. Hope it's gonna go down furthermore. And look at this. We need to go and get to the target 12,415. 12,415. Well, it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time to get to the target. Okay, anyway, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, the 3rd of August, and we have 3 positions opened. We are minus 13 euro, 13.75 euro, and let's see what will happen during the day on the DAX, and let's come back to it. Okay, it's gonna take time. All right, so let's come back to it. Okay. Hi guys, so it's still Esther Brodovic on live signal trade. It's 9:49 in the morning, so 49 minutes after the last update, and let's see what's going on. So we have a DAX that is actually reversing. Okay, it's reversing, as you can see on the 1-minute chart. Let's see it. Why? Okay, look, we have the last order, the 3rd order on the top. Okay, and we were minus 20 euro, 21 euro. Now it's minus 9.65, 10 euro. Okay, and let's see what's going on 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, we see that we have red bars on the moving average of oscillator, and so it looks like it's going down. We'll see on 1 hour. 1 hour we have 1 bar, okay, 1 red bar, okay, and on 4 hours it's still going up. Okay, so what I hope is that on very short time, okay, we will probably get back to the first order, and this is what we call the average down strategy, meaning that at the beginning of the video yesterday, okay, on the same video that you are watching now, at the beginning I wanted to do a scalping strategy. Okay, so I open and close positions, and I did it on purpose. I bought a little bit low, okay, on the first order. I bought a little bit low so that I could actually show you the average down strategy, and that's why I'm stuck actually on this wave. Okay, it's been already like more than 12 hours, actually more than 12 hours against me, and now I hope that the DAX will go back to the lowest level. The target is 12,415. This is the target. absolutely don't know if we're gonna succeed to make it. Okay, I have no idea. Maybe we're gonna lose money, maybe we're gonna make it. Okay, so we just need to be patient. Now I want to show you a chart, okay, maybe in black and white chart, and I want to show you this 4 hours chart. Okay, here it is. Okay, as you can see, we broke actually the trend line, the up trend line. We broke it yesterday. Okay, it was broken yesterday, and well, actually I don't know if it was yesterday. Yeah, it was broken yesterday in the morning at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, it was broken at 9 o'clock in the morning. You need to understand something. When you have a breakout of the line, usually when it's like this, when it's very big breakout, usually the instrument usually goes back to the line. Okay, it goes back to the line. Okay, and then afterwards it's reversing on the global trend, actually, because it's broken. Okay, so it's like this. It goes like this. It's going down, and then it gets back to the line, and it should reverse back down. Okay, and following the reversal, following the global trend. What is the global trend? The global trend right now is more or less going down. Okay, you see that you have the highs are lower. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, highs are lower. All right, so it's going down. Okay, just to show you this very nice week. Okay, yesterday I wasn't actually in front of my computer. Okay, I was not in front of my computer, but as you can see, this big week, okay, yesterday actually went back to my first position, meaning that the average down strategy yesterday was completed. Okay, if I were in front of my computer, I would have closed my position, my 3 position, and there would be actually in profit. Okay, because the week went back to my first position. Okay, but I was not in front of my computer. I was actually in a wedding, so I couldn't close my position. I didn't use my application on my Samsung, so I couldn't close the position. But I saw that all my positions were actually covered by this week yesterday. Let's look at it in details. Okay, you see. So let's look at it. As you can see. Here, you see this? Okay, it went up. You see this very nice candle? Okay, this one was open at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, and it went up and down. Okay, you see this? Okay, let's look at it. Okay, you see that one? Okay, see that one? What went up and down. All right? Okay, so now what I want this to go back to my first position. Okay, and this is the line, the top of the up trend line. Okay, this is the top. It could go up to this level. But the problem is that I don't have enough money on my balance to sustain this wave if it goes up. So I have two choices. I decide on one end, I can decide to close the position and to actually lose money, okay? Or what I can decide, if it goes higher, I can do what I call hedging, meaning that I can close the position with zero. I can open another order on the opposite direction on a buy order with 0.30 lots, okay, but I will not open 0.30 lots on one order. I will open 0.10 lots times three buy orders, okay? So 0.10 lots divided by 3 buy orders. Then it will freeze my balance, and I will stay in minus, and I will keep the rest of the balance maybe to trade, okay, on the right direction and to make some money on the side, and then to wait until the wave will go back to my direction, okay, and then I will get rid of my buy positions. This is what I can do. If you have time, if you have enough nerves to do this, you can do it, okay? But it's better not to do it. It's better not to do it, because if you're not in front of your computer, it's going to be very difficult to manage your positions. So hedging is really the last strategy that you need to use to keep your balance, okay? Because you need really to be in front of your computer to be able to manage the positions, all right? So right now, what I hope is that we're gonna have a breakout of this wave, okay? This is what I hope. I hope that we're gonna have a breakout of this wave, this up wave like this, and let's see if I add a moving average oscillator. This is the ADX, okay? The ADX is going a little bit down. This is what I wanted, okay, and you see this, the red line here is going up, okay? So it's not bad. It is not bad, okay? Okay, let's look at the moving average. Moving average of oscillator, this one. Okay, you see it's going down. All right. So let's pray that we're gonna cross the zero line. Okay, this is what I want. I want this asset to cross the zero line and to do like this. You see? Okay. So we're gonna come back in a few hours. I need to do some shopping. So let's talk in a few hours. Okay. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's Esther Brodovich. So we are still on the same video and the DAX doesn't go down, it doesn't drop, okay? So quite a problem. I'm still waiting for this drop. It's 2:25 in the afternoon. We are the 3rd of August, still on the same strategy, average down, and the problem is that in 1 hour we're gonna have the NFP. You know what is the NFP? The NFP is one of the biggest economic event on the market. NFP. Probably we're gonna have positive NFP because the ADP yesterday was positive. So I don't know what will happen. I don't know. I have no clue what will happen. Maybe I'm gonna lose all my positions. Maybe I'm gonna make money. I have no idea. Okay, but I'm still keeping the same strategy, and I hope that it will drop. As you can see, I put a trend line on the top of the candlesticks, and I put a trend line on the top of the wave, okay, of the OSMA, and as you can see, we have a negative divergence, okay. So according to the chart and according to the indicators, there should be a drop, okay. I want to show you as well the new technical analysis from Trading Central, and they said that it's still going down. So let me show you. Here it is. You see that? You see that this so now you remember it was 12.616. This was the pivot line, and now it's 12.620, and they still think that the DAX will drop, okay. So you remember it should be yesterday it was 12,415, sorry, 12,415, okay. That was the target, and now it's a little bit higher. It's 12,500 or 12,467, okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look at our targets, and we're gonna go up a little bit to 67. I'm gonna go up to 67. All right, here it is. Up. I'm gonna move the take profit to 67. Here it is. Okay, great. So let's hope that we're gonna get back our positions, okay, and we need to stay positive and confident and patient. All right, so let's check what will happen in a few hours. Okay, bye bye. Hello, so it's Esther Brodovich. We are right now 30 seconds from the NFP, and we are waiting for the result of the NFP. Right now, the NFP, the non-farm payroll, is forecasted to 193,000. This is what is expected, and we'll see if we have a better the euro dollar is going up. Let's see what will happen to the Germany. This is what I'm looking for, the Germany. Let's see. So euro dollar is a little bit up. We have a bad result on the NFP. 157,000 on the NFP, and it was expected 193,000. Which is a bad result on the NFP. Very weird, because the ADP was actually positive, so it's very weird result. The unemployment rate stay exactly the same, 3.9%. 3.9% for the unemployment rate. nothing moves really right now. We are still on Germany 12,609. It's going a little bit up. We'll see. And the euro dollar is also going up. Let's see if it keeps on going up. It's great, because then the Germany should go down, but you know, we are never sure of anything. So let's pray that it will go down. The Germany will go down. DAX actually will go down, and euro dollar will go up. Okay, now the euro dollar is like you know, moving upward, and we need to stay and check what's going on. Let's see on 1 hour. You see the euro dollar. Let's put a trend line to see if we are staying outside of this trend line. Right now, the Germany is actually reacting on downside, and we are waiting for a drop on the DAX. Okay, let's hope that the euro dollar will, and let's see. Okay, so I'm just coming back in few minutes. Okay, in few minutes. I hope that before I close the platform, I will close the platform. Right now it's 3:30. I will close the platform at 7 o'clock. Okay, in the afternoon. Okay, before 7 o'clock I will close the platform. So I hope that we're gonna get back our position before the closing. Okay. See you then.